Lalela, uJacinta akago uyafokofa. Akago uyafokofa. Yazi, I'm agreeing with the statement of Umyeza when he says uJacinta must just call for a press briefing. Ahamba yobhodla ngoba kuningi igqwele la. Eziyakhala bafethu uthi lokhu yabafonela bongizwe nophakela babuyi kuye akekho buya kuye. Sukela nje babeke mithi president akekho buya kuye akekho ufuna ukumtshela ukuthi bebakhuluma ngani and all those kind of things. Yonke into yena uyibona ku social media njengathi ziyakhala and leso sikhathi uphakela ukhumbula utheni uthena kancengi even ama civil movements abasebenzisana nawo and stuff like that. Guys, kubi uyagowa uyafokofa uJacinta uyafokofa impela uyafokofa.
Phela mina angincengani wengane zakwethu khona izinto eziserious engiyisebenzayo ezinye zazo anginaso isikhathi sokuprotect ama relationships that are not helping the country and not helping me in any way. Even bona abafowethu laba esisebenza nabo bama civic organization, I'm not going to spend most of my time trying to justify and explain why usibani bani ngingakhuluma nanga. I don't report to these people. I started this thing a long time ago. I've been called barbaric before they were talking about these things I was talking about. So Uchata in 2016, 2017, he was telling people about Upagelu Mthakathi, and people were saying Uchata, he can't enforce someone who's always carrying in Isagila, Nehau. They can't look at. But today we are sitting here and talking about these things. So thank you.
Into engiyithanda kakhulu ngezinto zomshosha phansi ama loopholes ihleze khona. Uhleze khona umuntu ozoyi-expose lento yena benikade niyenza. Right after inkulumo kamongameli uZoso uhambe wayothenga i-iPhone e-iStore ephethe u31,000 ngezandla kusho ukuthi bese kuyishare yakhe leyo phela naye bekumele ayithole ishare ubekhona emeetingini enugodla ama video vele kumele ayithole ishare. Unqondo ke siyamazi sonke kulento lena ukuthi ubani ichunu yizwa ngami. Njengamanje lokulithuma ingoma amakhosi lithi hayi hamba uyohlokoloza wena yenza ngazathi sekuxatshene phehla udwesho olungekho akuxatshenwe la kudlalwa ngathi sekuhlafuniwe ngiyakutshela mina ayikho ingxabane khona phakathi kongowa amakhosi nophakela umthakathi nongizwa ayikho ingxabane khona sekudliwa imali lapha so sekumele kube ngazathi kuxatshenwe ukuze kungeke kusahlanganwa. Kumele kube ngathi kuxatshenwe yabona ngibona phela umthakathi uthi usofocusa kuphi uyofocusa kutsona umthetho development into yama bootcamps uphethe uhlafuniwe yizwa ngami ngiyakutshela.
Guys, Cyril Ramaphosa successfully divided much and much crew. Now about Jacinta and Phakela Mthakathi are fighting each other. Ziyakhala namhlanje, guys, South Africa, the foreigners are celebrating, saying, we told you guys. Some are saying Uguti, the Nigerians are using a strong motive against Jacinta and Phakela Mthakathi. Guys, honestly speaking, let's be honest when it comes to Phakela Mthakathi. There were so many ways he could have informed Jacinta, guys. Yes, I do understand Jacinta. She's a married woman. He could have just sent an SMS. They could have just sent a message on WhatsApp group, or somebody else. He could have just told somebody else to say, can you please send a message to Jacinta's WhatsApp group to say tonight we are meeting the president. So, guys, the people are saying, oh, no, man, this guy has sold us. He just want to come here and lie. He's been lying to us. Even yesterday, guys, he said he will explain the reason why he had a private meeting with the president of Cyril Ramaphosa. He didn't even say anything, guys. He has been posting lapana ku social media defending himself or calling himself an in-daughter. Oh, in-daughter, obviously, that will never change, guys. So people are saying a lot go Phakela Mthakathi to say, firstly, it was Jacinta who started this match, and match you just join in. So right now you wanna play like a victim. You were wrong. Come out and explain. So guys, they're going to have a meeting on Monday. Hopefully everyone is gonna explain what went wrong, guys. Everything we're gonna find out on Monday. So anyway, guys, it is what it is. Do not forget to subscribe, to like, comment. Happy Monday. Please take care of yourself.